You know what's crazy? School actually gives you some of the best memories of your life. Like, yeah, we all complain about waking up early, homework, boring teachers. But when you really think about it, school's kind of amazing. Every day you're surrounded by your friends, laughing over dumb stuff, joking around in class, getting in trouble for talking too much. Those are the moments you'll remember forever. The times you played games at lunch, made inside jokes nobody else understands, or those PE classes where everyone's just vibing. That's real happiness. And then there's the crush part. The glances across the room, your friends teasing you, people shipping you for no reason, but deep down you love it. That tiny smile when your crush looks back at you. Bro, that's the best feeling ever. It's that little spark that makes school worth it. Even your friends, the way you talk, hang out, and just be yourselves. It makes life feel lighter. You start realizing how much these moments matter. Like one day, you're gonna look back and realize school wasn't just about learning. It was about living. You build friendships, fall in love, make memories that stick with you forever. It's where you laugh till your stomach hurts. Where you find the people who make you feel like you belong. So yeah, school's not perfect. But it's where you meet the people that make life unforgettable. Where you find love, fun, chaos, and memories that never fade.